welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bobbi Lace. I do makeup and makeup related type things, and then every once in a while I'll do like something extra like a vlog or something like that. But today I did a Christmas tree. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this cute little sparkly Christmas tree look, then keep watching. Hey, how is everybody doing? Welcome back to my tutorials. So, if I'm being a little bit goofy, I'm sorry. I've been smoking. I'm gonna be real honest with you from the gate. But right now, let's focus on some makeup. Okay, so I literally, the day I filmed this, I went on a hunt because I had this idea in my head of a Christmas tree. And like, I didn't know after the candy cane video that I did last week what I was gonna do. And then I heard in a department store or something like that, I heard, oh, Christmas tree. And I was like, I'll do that. So I just got this idea in my head of a Christmas tree and glitter balls. I know, that's funny, right? Anyways, so I wanted like a really like evergreen kind of color, but I just was not finding it. I think they got sold out in the fall or some shit like that. But to that day, I found this color, and that is the ColourPop liquid liner in the shade The Hills. And so I like this eyeliner. Would I use it for eyeliner? Yes. Would I use it for an all over lid shade again? Absolutely not. It's not that it's hard to work with or anything, but it's hard to work with. You know what I'm saying? Like it was streaky, as you can see. It was pulling, and it might have something to do with my setting my eyeshadow base, which you saw. But if I had to do it again, I would probably do bare eye, then draw the Christmas tree, and then if need be, put a little bit of eyeshadow or something of that nature on my eyelid around the Christmas tree. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. And I also would like to let you guys know that I did have to end up going over the whole Christmas tree twice. So in the end, after I shake it up a million times, and I had even stored it downward, I like gave it a break, stored it downward, and I did a little bit of my face makeup while I was letting that do that. And it came back, worked better. But if you don't know, pen eyeliners just tend to dry out really easily. So, and plus I was using it in an upright position like you have to, not downward like I would for a wing. So all the products rushing to the bottom. So that's just, how gravity works. It is what it is. Moving along, we're almost at the tail end of this thing here. And I'm not a great artiste, guys. I'm gonna level with you, super honest. I can't draw for shit. um, and I kind of akin this more to artistry. Not that makeup's not an artistry, but it's more drawing with this as opposed to a brush. I swear to you, if it was a brush, oh, it would be the perfect Christmas tree, but this just is a pen to me. And this is the NYX Vivid Brights cream eye color in the shade Get Money. And I didn't like the way the Get Money looked for a color for a tree. So that's why it's just on the lash line, the lower lash line. And this is the Italia 24-hour eyeliner in Midnight Brown, but you can use whatever brown you may have lying around. It doesn't have to be this one specifically. Just make sure it's not like black or whatever, because I don't think that would look the best, but that's just my personal opinion. And then I go in with Hi Dude from the Jeffree Star and Morphe palette, but you can use whatever brown might match your specific eyeliner. I thought that one matched it the best. And I'm using the ColourPop pen again to make the top of the tree more pointy now that I have more of my lower lash line done. I don't know who I think I am. I just be jamming, honestly, guys. Whenever I am filming or doing my makeup at any particular time, or my hair, if I'm in the studio, I'm just listening to music, dancing and singing. So sometimes I put it in there just so you guys can know I'm fun. You know what I'm saying? I'm joking, honestly. And this exoplanet, I just would like to mention that it's not just a white, it's a holographic white. So, well, that meaning that it is a white with a pink shift to it, but the pink shift is not super strong. Let me tell you, it's not super strong, but I'm drawing that with my star. Once again, I'm not an artiste, and this is Starlight, Star-esque, if you will. Okay, and I'm using the Betty Boop and Ipsy collab liquid eyeliner, which is also a pen. However, use whichever liquid eyeliner or liner that you just like. I don't know. And this is the NYX glitter glue, and I'm taking that on a little circular brush, just randomly picking dots that I had already pre-mapped out, sticking a little bit of glitter glue on it, and then putting glitter on top of the glitter glue. You see what I did there? Bam. And I used only bright colors because on my Christmas tree, not the one in my living room, but on my Christmas tree in my head, in my vision, it was like the multicolor lights, as opposed to just like a specific color. But you know what? Do you on your Christmas tree if you just want silver and gold. Last year for my legit Christmas tree, I had like white, silver, and blue. So you can make your Christmas tree whatever you want your Christmas tree to be. Mine just wanted to be multicolored. Okay. I really hope that you guys like the Christmas music I picked out for you. I tried to get a good variety, not just all slow Christmas music, but a little bit of upbeat ones too, you know? And after I got all the little light bulbs on, the little fake glitter bulbs, Then I sharpen up the edges, whatever edges I need to sharpen with the pen. And then I top the star with a little bit of silver dollar from Hard Candy. And then that's it. So I just wanted to show you guys, like, especially when I'm working with like a lot of glitter and stuff, a good tip that I found is like put your glitter on a piece of paper. That way all the little dribbles that come off of glitter will come onto the piece of paper. You can just throw the piece of paper in the trash. So I thought that was a really good tip I should share with you guys. Also, I wanted to share with you guys, I used literally this, I don't know if you noticed, but I used the same exact brush. I just dipped it into said glitter and wiped it off over here because the glitter will get stuck in, the little glitter particles will get stuck in the towel, and then the brush is basically clean. Okay, so that was my makeup tutorial. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this cute Christmas tree look, and I really hope you try it out for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my videos with all your friends. That way, you know, everybody can be just slaying for the holidays. And, you know, every day, really. Because, I mean, why not? So, thank you so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye.